Hello, assalamu alaikum guys. Today I'm gonna introduce to you a studio apartment located in the heart of the Istanbul city. Guys, that is beside this building is Mall of Istanbul. This is number one, and Chuantu shopping mall is only 1 kilometers away from this location. Okay, let us talk about this studio apartment. Here is the project. It's a perfect developer. One of the perfect developer actually in Istanbul, Turkey, that has 1 bedroom studio apartment and 2 bedroom apartment. So this studio apartment, if we rent it, we are going to get each month $500. Even on the website, on the internet, it is rented with 20,000 Turkish lira, which is approximately $600 per month. It will be long-term investment, a 1-year contract that gonna give you high return on investment. If you calculate it with the price of the studio, it will be like 7%. So I'm so excited to show you these charming, beautiful, inside the action with the furniture. Let us discover it together, guys. There is a 40 square meter studio apartment located in the heart of Istanbul city. These charming, beautiful studio apartments will get for you high return on investment if you put it on rent. This one is offered for sale from the owner with the fully furniture. And guess guys, the owner of this studio, he was not even using it, believe me. He was always outside of Turkey. Whenever he used to visit Istanbul, he used to use his apartment. So guys, this one is offered for sale with $88,000. The payment plan is fully cash payment. There are some small expenses for the title deed transaction and etc. Guys, if you are interested to get high return apartments in Istanbul, Turkey, get in touch with me, guys, and I'm gonna give you some basic information, full information about it. This is Mustafa, a real estate agency from Istanbul, Turkey, with